Spacious ranch with first floor primary suite in sought-after Pitchkettle Farms. Feel the quality of construction in this fine build, just 4 years young. Open floor plan with 9 to 10 ceilings, hardwood floors, and quality details. Kitchen features double ovens, granite counters and a huge breakfast bar island, great for busy mornings, homework, or entertaining. The enclosed back patio includes easy breeze windows, wonderful for relaxing. The spa-like primary bath includes ceramic tile, deep soaker tub, separate shower and walk-in closet. Upstairs, the Frog Suite, 5th bedroom, has its own full bath, huge closet and access to walk-in floored attic. Sideload 2-car garage, tankless smartbox, and number 189, acre lot and large driveway with room for RV/boat. Community park, playground and meditation garden. Minutes to Highway 58, historic downtown Suffolk, golf, Obici Hospital, YMCA, Bennetts Creek Park, Lone Star Lakes and more. September 19, 2025.